Day 36 of being at home. It's Friday the 24th of April. How's your day been today, Harry?
Good, excellent again.
Good, excellent again. So this morning, did PE again? What did we do for that?
Just random.
Just made it up, didn't we? Bit of music, action songs, got Rosie involved. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, that sort of thing. What was that like?
Roughly.
It was what?
Roughly.
It was all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then did a bit more of your castle stuff. So what is this, Harry?
A castle graph.
Castle graph. Let's just have a little look. So what do the letters mean at the bottom?
That means Scotland, that means England, that means Wales, and that means Northern Ireland.
And what about down the side?
On the next page.
Okay, so we've taken the numbers, and what have we done?
Put them into groups where they are.
So what? Can you remember what kind of graph it is? I did tell you.
Castle graph.
Yeah, a bar chart or a bar graph. And what do the numbers down the side mean?
Oh, how much they're worth. So in Scotland is worth the most, then it goes England, and then it goes Wales, and then it goes titchy to 8.
Yeah.
It's about there.
So we learned to use a scale with a. What did we use to do the scale?
Don't know.
A
Ruler.
ruler. That's right. Then we watched a YouTube video. What did that teach us?
How to do
Magic trick with.
cards.
Yeah.
Boring cards.
But we tried it, didn't we?
And Dad couldn't do it the first time.
Then I went to work in the up. Mum come down to the down.
And then we made a
You made a tube what, for a ball.
boing, boing, boing.
It was on the wall in the garden, wasn't it? So it was like a little track.
For the ball.
Yeah. How did you find that?
Bit hard.
Bit hard. What did the ball keep doing?
Falling.
Yeah. So you had to keep adjusting it. You were playing something in the playroom today? What was it? Playing with characters. What was that?
Superheroes.
Yeah, what were you doing?
We were fighting a baddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was that just you or?
Me and Mum. Just a little Rosie.
Then 2 more things today. So you read something?
Mhm.
What was that?
Aha.
What was it? You told me earlier. Go on.
Jack and the Giants.
How was that?
Good.
And what have we literally just done?
Mr. Port's quiz.
Mr. Port's Meadowside
Even
quiz.
Next all done it.
Yep. And how did we find that?
We got 31 out of 39.
And was it fun?
Yes.
Did he do a good job?
Yes.
And did you like his shirt?
No.
Okay, so still doing scores out of 10. 1's rubbish, 10's brilliant. What's going to be your score today?
99 out of 100. 9 out of 10.
Okay, cool. See you tomorrow.